Welcome to Water Wisdom, brought to you by Healthy Best Life, where we uncover the truth about what's in your tap water and why making the switch to filtered water is crucial for your health. Did you know that what comes out of your tap might not be as pure as you think? Contaminants in tap water can include chlorine, heavy metals, microorganisms, and pharmaceuticals. Why filtered water? Removes contaminants. Improved taste and odor. Filtering your water can help reduce the risk of exposure to harmful substances, promoting overall well-being. There are many different types of water filters available. Here are a few of the most popular options. Pitcher filters. These filters are convenient and affordable, have a limited filtration capacity, and may not remove all contaminants. Faucet-mounted filters. These filters are easy to install and they provide instant filtration, but they may not remove all contaminants. Under-sink filters. These filters remove a wide range of contaminants and have a high flow rate, but they require installation and are more expensive. UV water filters. These filters are effective at eliminating bacteria and viruses. The water you consume is essential for your health. Consider making the switch to filtered water and take control of what goes into your body.
If you're interested in where to find the water filters discussed in this video, click the links in the video description.